Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Which there should be some new people because we got 3 new subscribers this week and I feel like that's a reason to celebrate. So this is kind of like a hair vlog, maintenance type vlog. I did my hair and my lashes. This is not the hair that I ended up with, but this was one of the options. I'm kind of all over the place right now, but come along with me on the journey, okay? I literally don't even think I could be bothered to do too much. I just want to kind of look presentable. I was watching I recorded a video for TikTok yesterday, I think, and I was watching it back and I realized my posture is so bad when my mirror is down here because I'll sit up and look at the camera and then I'll go like this to look in the mirror. So I'm working on it. Just gonna put on some lip gloss. I've been getting on track with my skincare lately too, but last night it broke me out worse. Like, my skin has slowly been getting better, and maybe it's the moisturizer because all I did was wash my face and moisturize last night. And now I have a pimple right here. I have a bunch of little bumps all around my nose and like all in my T-zone. And like even on my eye. What the heck? So like I said, we're not doing much today. I'm going to use this Glow Recipe moisturizer because the other one I used was my EQ List one, which hasn't given me problems up until now. So maybe it's something about the way I wash my face. Like maybe it wasn't thorough enough. Which I did use a cleanser rather than... I normally use like an oil cleanser to get my makeup off, and I didn't do that last night. I just washed my face, so maybe that's what it was. I don't want to blame my moisturizer. I really love her. Just a little bit of skin tint, I think. Maybe some powder, maybe some bronzer. So I'm kind of like, I've been racking my brain about what hairstyle to do next because I want to do a protective style, but I don't want to break the bank, and all this, like all my Pinterest inspo is like really expensive stuff. So I think I'm gonna do mini twists like just on my hair and see how that looks, and then once that's done I'm thinking about doing some knotless. I just don't like the process of doing knotless on myself, but it is like the cheapest hairstyle. So mini twist, knotless. My baby's feeling very talkative this morning. You coming? Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know. Let me use my Sport Micro Smooth. I think I'm gonna be a skin tint girl for the rest of my life. Like, I just can't fathom putting on foundation after this. I used to mix my moisturizer with my foundation to make it thinner because I just didn't enjoy the texture of foundation. Like, it's just like, it's one of those things that's overstimulating for me. So I think I'm forever a skin tint girly now. It bothers me so bad when people don't bronze their chin or contour their chin. Yes, baby? What toys? I already pulled out your toys. What? Oh, that's Bo's toy, yes. Oh, thank you. He threw the toy to me. Didn't make it very far. But yeah, mini twist. This one is gonna be mini twist. I probably said that in the intro. Ugh. I really wanted to do some long knotless, but ever since we moved, the nearest hair store is like almost 30 minutes away. I'm not going to the hair store. I'm not doing it. I want my hair done now. What?
It's that sausage. Oh, take it to another
Or these two?
Oh, I'll take it to another level, dog. Hold it for me. I ain't preferred that very well.
Stop.
No, no. Tooth made me feel like I had a cavity. Ooh,
that's good. Cheers. We had to stop to get some chicken, as y'all can probably tell. But we had to change our plans. If y'all saw the last clip, I'll leave it in. We had to change the plans. I had to change the plans because this vlog was supposed to be me doing my hair. I told y'all I was going to put it in mini twist, but we're heading to our storage unit. All my wigs are in our storage unit. So I was like, maybe I want to do a wig, but we're also going to the hair store today. It's like, maybe I want to do braids. So we're going to go to the storage unit first, and I'm going to look through my wigs, and I'm going to decide if I want to do one of my wigs. That way, when we go to the hair store, I'll know if I need to get braiding hair or not. So we'll figure it out as we go. So So I decided I'm gonna do a wig because I forgot I had a curly wig in there, and that's gonna be really. I forgot I had a curly wig in storage, so I took it out. I'm gonna wash it and whatnot when I go to my mom's house in a little bit. But we're going to the hair store still because I need a wig cap and I need some glue. So okay, so I didn't take y'all in the hair store with me, but let's do a little haul. I got an HD wig cap. Oh, they gave me a little free gift. Biotin Brew conditioners. Got vitamin B7 and BHA. Formulated to deeply nourish and hydrate hair to prevent breakage and hair loss. My phone just hates me at this point. Prevent breakage and hair loss and stimulate hair growth. I'll probably use that before I, install the wig. This is Michael's mousse. He uses this on his curls. I got another melt band because I have no idea where my melt bands are. It's probably been a year, maybe more, since I wore a wig. I got you know what? Why was we beefing with this brand? I feel like we was beefing with this brand. I got the lace melt spray, the sports edition. And then I just got I got the extreme firm holding gel as well. So I'm gonna put that under the lace. I'm gonna put this on top of the lace, melt it with the melt band, and we're gonna be good. I already have makeup to put on it at home, so I had to convince myself not to put anything to tint the lace, not to buy anything to tint the lace. But yeah, next step is going to be I need to wash my wig. Next I need to wash my wig, and then I'll do the install and whatnot. Let me just chit chat for a second. First of all, I have a question, because this was a debate earlier that me and Michael were having. When someone says they're running errands, what does that mean to you? Because he thought it was one thing and I thought it was another thing, and I think I'm right. I'm pretty sure I'm right. But I just want to know, if you made it this far in the video, please comment. What is the definition of running errands to you? Our crispy crunchy chicken is still sitting here. I'm feeding the children. But I feel like I'm having a little bit of a dilemma with my hair, because I don't know, I just been kind of wearing my hair for the last couple months, and now I'm kind of in a protective style mood. But I feel like, what's the point of a protective style if you don't keep it in long enough to actually protect your hair for a decent amount of time? Like, I want to do so many different protective styles that I want to just kind of like speed run them and do them back to back to back. But that would make no sense for protecting my hair if I'm just redoing my hair every few weeks. I feel like, I found this girl on TikTok. I don't remember what her at is, but she was talking about how she does Marley twists, and she'll leave them in for up to 3 months. And I'm like, well, yeah, of course her hair is long, because she's doing protective styles for 3 months. I can't keep nothing past like 3 weeks. And every time I try to do Marley twist, my hair slips out. Like, my hair is too fine to hold onto the Marley twist. So I thought about maybe washing my hair, detangling it, letting it air dry, and then doing a Marley twist, so that I'll have a little bit more texture. When I blow out my hair and try to do the Marley twist, that's when they start slipping out. So I think I'm gonna try that. But Marley twist is not my next hairstyle anyway. I'll try that when I decide to do Marley twist. What's wrong, baby? You want another french fry? You want another french fry? You want daddy? Oh, daddy went in the store, baby. He's gonna be right back, okay? So yeah, whenever I do Marley twist, maybe I'll try that. But like I said, next is the wig, and then on the list after that are the knotless braids, which knotless braids aren't really super protective, but and then Marley twist. So we'll figure it out. It's heavy. Okay, so the girls are clean. I took them to my mom's house and I washed them. I just washed my hair like a couple days ago. It's not wash day yet, so I think I might braid my hair down, and then when wash day comes along, I'll wash my scalp in the braids. But this is the one that I'm putting on, right? But let me tell you guys the vision. So she's curly. She's a curly girl. It's lace front, like a full frontal. And then I have this one, which is a headband wig, similar texture, right? So here's what I'm thinking. I don't like gluing my wigs down, so I showed you guys the gel and the melting spray. So obviously it's only going to stay on for probably a couple days at a time before I have to remelt it. So if I'm feeling like melting my lace, then I'll wear this one. If I'm feeling lazy, if I'm having a lazy day, headband wig, right? That's going to get me through a good amount of time, and I feel like that makes it a good protective style. So success. So what I ended up doing is 3 little braids in the back. Since the top is already pretty much flat, I literally started the braids like halfway down my head. And so I'm just going to braid them together a little bit. Then I have my hair tie. I'm going to put it in a little bun. I feel like that's going to be flat enough. What do y'all think? Don't judge my braids. They're messy, okay? I think it's going to be flat enough. That's the important part. Let's test her out with the wig cap. Maybe after the first wash day, I'll put more effort into my braids so that they can last longer and be a little more protective for my hair, because right now my ends are feeling really exposed. But hey, my head is too big. Okay, so I'm trying my best to get this done as well as possible, but it's been a minute since I laid a wig, and I'm trying to record this for you guys, so I can't really be watching TikTok tutorials at the same time. So I'm recording on my phone. But this wig gel is really runny. Like, look at that. It's just leaving, and it's making strings everywhere. I'm struggling. Maybe it's runny because it was hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my finger. I give up on trying to stay clean. Gosh. The good thing though, it is wig gel and not wig glue. So at least it'll come off easier when I'm trying to clean it up. I think I'm gonna only do 1 layer for now. I've seen people do like multiple layers even with the gel, but I just don't think I'm at that point. So we're gonna do 1 layer of gel, lay her with the band, my edges are in it, and then we'll do the melting spray. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I think I need to work in sections, maybe. Ah, frick. And yeah, I need to fix my edges, so I'll be right back. Okay, so she's melting right now. I have my melt band on. All I did was the gel. I haven't done the melt spray yet. I'm gonna do that after this kind of sets. I'm gonna check back in. My baby's very angry. I'm gonna check back in the morning when my hair is done and show you guys the finished product. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna put on lashes today. Cause I already have a wig on. Like, I might as well just keep going. I'm kind of feeling myself. A little bit. So I saw this girl on TikTok do it like this. She, instead of using the glue that comes with the, you know, like how they have like the bond and seal, she uses this glue, the Kiss glue with the silver lid, and then she uses the seal. And last time I did that, it worked really well, like surprisingly well. So I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, so one eye is done. Can y'all tell? It's a little subtle. I'm gonna... He thinks I'm talking to him. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it though. Okay, so I found my tape. It's a little dirty because it's been chilling out in my makeup bag, but I saw somebody on TikTok do this. Everything I do is from TikTok. No, not everything, but my whole lash routine is from someone on TikTok, like multiple people on TikTok. Like I told you about the glue. And then I saw another girl do the tape like this. So she uses lash tape to hold her eye open. How genius is that? Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can get her. First try. Yep. So I don't like to like tape my eyelid all the way up because I still want to be able to blink a little bit so my eye doesn't get watery because it's going to be open for a really long time. And then I take the super stick, the Kiss super stick, and I'll put it along my lashes a little bit so that that area can be tacky. And as I go, I'll put the glue on the base of the lashes as well. These are the lashes I'm using. I use 2 of the longest ones in the center. And so I'll just take it and put it on the base. And since my eyelashes are already sticky, I can go ahead. I don't have to wait for this to get sticky. I just go ahead and I stick it down. And then it's gonna start drying down while I place the other ones. And then I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and I'm gonna do the seal on it. And I just go through and I just tap, tap, tap. And voila. This one actually looks better than the other one. Okay, maybe I'm gonna have to stagger them next time. I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the hair. Okay, so I pulled out my edges, tied it back down, did my makeup. Now it's the moment of truth. Ow, frick, it's stuck in my hair. That was not funny. Okay. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with my edges. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna brush these back. I shouldn't have took them out in the first place. Making my life harder. There's some little hair stuck in it, but I think I'm just gonna pluck those out later. I almost forgot to show y'all the finished product, but here it is. It's a little, I put it a little too tight in the front. I don't know if y'all can see, it's got a little wavy. The lace is a little wavy. But I feel like it's cute. I did a braid out and it's kind of just, I don't know. I feel like maybe I need to cut the ends. They're just not doing what I wanted them to do, but up here it looks good. And then I forgot to grab my hot comb out of the storage unit. So the top is not as laid as I wanted it to be, but I think I'm gonna try to finesse it with a flat iron. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the new hair. I'm gonna keep it for probably at least a month. This is gonna be my hairstyle. This and the, like I said before, this and the headband wig. I'm gonna keep my hair in braids and do wigs for at least 4 weeks. So hold me to that. YouTube.